It is important for ZUFALL to be recognized as a digital logistic company, and the cooperation with Wakeo is a big milestone on that way. The ZUFALL Logistic Group is a family-owned forwarder in Germany with a big tradition of almost 100 years. We are doing road transport, we are doing warehousing, having over 450,000 square meters under roof in our management. We are doing air and sea freight, and we do express shipments and custom clearance. We selected Wakeo Solutions because we would like to have a European-based company. We also put Wakeo Solution on a test phase, and the test was very positive, and that for us was a very important part which gives us some confidence that we have found the right partner. We ended the implementation system just on time. They were very active when we were talking to them and very helpful. We liked the customer service of Wakeo a lot, and that was an important point for us to choose them. Wakeo is essential for us because our customers always need to know about the whereabouts of their cargo, and our people have other problems to solve than just have a track and trace for every request. So it cuts a lot of time. Wakeo offers much more than just show you where your cargo is now. It gives you a lot of possibilities about analysis. You can customize your dashboard to what you really need to know, and you can manage your cargo, which has been shipped with ZUFALL, much better and a much smarter way. An important milestone will be when we integrate Wakeo into our ZUFALL Connect track and trace system, because this combines the visibility of our cargoes for road freight and for sea and air freight, and this is a very important part for us to have all this shown on one interface.